For when Mother Nature says no, when deciding the ultimate route between points A and B, the KTM 390 Enduro R owns every avenue. With exceptional, lightweight handling and punchy performance on both tarmac and dirt tracks, this middleweight bruiser is ready to take on any road or commute. Packing state-of-the-art rider aids, adjustable suspension, and aggressive enduro-inspired styling into a complete middleweight package, the KTM 390 Enduro R is ready for anything. Plush Performance Adjustability. Finding that perfect balance when attacking your favorite stretch of dirt or for added comfort around town is easy, thanks to the KTM 390 Enduro R's adjustable suspension, brake and clutch levers, and footrests, not to mention a complete PowerPart catalog filled with performance and style-enhancing add-ons. Infotainment, TFT display. The H42 TFT dashboard takes prime position ahead of the rider, featuring a unique, specially designed user interface to suit the compact screen size. Made from bonded glass, the 4.2-inch TFT screen also boasts a special coating and polarization to reduce glare and increase visibility in all lighting conditions. Riders can also access music, incoming calls, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride modes via the dashboard, with a USB-C port for device charging duties. Power-hungry engine. Boasting the latest generation of KTM's LC4C engine, the KTM 390 Enduro features a compact, 399 cubic centimeters single-cylinder power plant, churning out impressive power and effortless acceleration. This makes it ideal for charging through motorway traffic or up steep, gravel mountain passes. Pick your power, ride modes. The KTM 390 Enduro R offers its pilots a selection of ride modes to best suit whatever conditions they find themselves in. Street mode is activated as standard. Break your way, ABS. The KTM 390 Enduro R boasts a Bosch 10.3 megabytes modulator, which is the brain responsible for its impressive ABS system. This enables standard ABS and an OFF-R080 ABS option for dirt applications. However, should you want more control and better skydability, the dedicated ABS off button allows all ABS to be disabled.